On the occasion of the World Down Syndrome Day, University of Calcutta and Trisomy 21 Research Society are pleased to announce the inauguration of two mobile applications dedicated for the betterment of life of individuals with Down syndrome and their families for the very first time in India. A unique collaboration between two wings of the Calcutta University, A.K. Choudhury School of Information Technology and Cytogenetics and Genomics Research Unit has been successful in designing these two apps, Deeksha and Trisafe21. Deeksha is a gaming-based learning app designed exclusively for children with Down syndrome. The child plays interactive games through which he or she learns several basic concepts at his or her own pace. The app provides a platform for the child to be engaged in learning. Diksha conducts assessments to track the progress of the child and maintains a record of the same. Diksha divides the learning syllabus into small modules for easy understanding of the child. Through an AI-mediated software, the app customizes the scope of learning for each child based on his or her learning rate. Diksha also provides at regular intervals a revision of topics that have been learnt by the child previously. Now, we will have a basic demonstration of the Diksha app. A registered user can enter by just logging in with his registered ID and password. A new user has to register for the first time and can do so afterwards. For registration, the user puts in basic details of the child like name, age, name of the guardian, phone number, email address, etc. They have to create a password for logging in from the next time. Once they sign up, they will have to fill up a few questions such as whether the child can write alphabets or can read small words. Based on these answers, the artificial intelligence will prepare a proper learning scope for the child. Once logged in, the user encounters a dashboard having three sections: daily activities, academics, and social behavior. The daily activity section would guide the child on how to perform daily activities such as brushing one's teeth or combing one's hair through the use of animated videos. The academic section will have games through which the child learns basic concepts such as shape, colors, alphabets by the use of audiovisual flashcards. For each lesson, there is also an assessment procedure for the child through games. The social behavior section would guide the child on different social activities such as greeting people through animated videos. The app also allows us the parents to check the progress of their child based on the assessment games, and through machine learning and AI, the app will procure the progress of every child and use that to further evolve the learning scope for a new user. The second app, Trisafe21, is a search-based mobile application for the families and caregivers of individuals with Down syndrome. This app aims to provide a one-stop solution for availing different services. Trisafe21 enables the families and caregivers to find specialists, doctors, and book appointments with them. It also enables them to find a nearby hospital and avail ambulance services. One can also look for caregivers and nursing services for individuals with Down syndrome. Further, the app maintains a personal health record for each user. That's not all. Trisafe21 aims to provide access to more services in the future, in the fields of education, legal advices, job opportunities, communication forum, and many more. Now, we will have a little demonstration of the Trisafe21 app. At Trisafe21, we are building a search engine-based app for Down syndrome community aimed to help the families and the caregivers of individuals with Down syndrome. Primarily, we are focusing on the different health services. A new user has to register through the sign up page. Here, they need to create a new profile by putting in name, age, guardian's name, and few other basic informations. They will then have to provide their medical history and background. Based on these informations provided, our recommendation engine will recommend the user on the specialists that are most suited for them at that moment. If the medical history is changed or updated by the user, the recommendation engine will recommend accordingly. Now, this app functions through an artificial intelligence mediated process and will function more efficiently if more and more users log into the system. Once logged in, a user can explore all the features of the app, like finding a specialist doctor nearby by entering the location and the specialization required. They can also book an appointment with the doctors either through a video call or a physical visit. The user can also avail ambulance services through providing the pickup and drop locations. They can choose to allow the app to obtain their current location automatically as well. The user can also choose the type of ambulance they required. Further, nearby nursing services can also be availed. The caregivers or parents can upload the medical documents in the app and also keep a track of the previous health issues and appointment history of the individual through this app. Trisafe21 will also include an interface for doctors where they will be notified when an appointment has been booked. It works similarly for all the other services in question. Both the apps are at initial phase under development and we are working very hard to release the finished product soon. We thank University of Calcutta for providing the opportunity and infrastructure to carry on with this project. We also thank Trisomy21 Research Society Indian chapter for their support and cooperation. We would also like to thank all the clinicians and Down Syndrome Association Kolkata for their continuous cooperation during the development phase of the apps. We acknowledge the efforts of Professor Omlan Chakraborty and Dr. Sujoy Ghosh, their respective teams from A.K. Choudhury School of Information Technology and Cytogenetics and Genomics Research Unit of University of Calcutta. We look forward to make this venture a successful one for the first time ever in India. Thank you.